everybody, a tax time special here. This is a 2015. This is an Acura TLX with technology and premium pack. It's got every option they gave it, and it is like new. No accidents, one owner car. Again, it's got all the buttons in it, special edition interior. Factory sunroof, leather interior, heated seats, navigation, backup camera, premium sound, leather wrapped wheel. It's got the technology package, which includes a blind spot monitor, lane descent, laser guided cruise, beautiful metallic brown with matching leather. Just hit 100,000 miles, service contract included for 3 months, 4,500 miles. Guaranteed credit approval on this, and you're looking around $1,595 down. 2015 Acura TLX, technology and premium package, the right one. I've personally driven this car, and it's 110% ready to go. I don't even want to sell it, it's so nice. DasCleveland.com.